Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
You really gotta let that. You really gotta let that. Damn, I can't speak. You really gotta let that. Damn!
Tomac Glock, Tomac neck. We gon' be okay. Tomac Glock, Tomac neck. Gas in it, bitch.
You ain't going home tonight, nigga.
Oh God, I'm leaving in 30 minutes.
You
I'm smoking on that top tip. Dogs is in my spot right now. What the fuck you think like Glock? You gon' get him points. You let him talk like he got ox. Let him cop fuck tip. Quaking in my cup. My pocket, it get hot here. Drink a quick.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy SRT Mike, stolen SRT, back with another POV. I ain't did a POV in about 6-7 months, yo. But shit, today we just put on my mid pipes. No resonator, no muffler, no cats. So I got a full straight pipe. This been finna rip, boy. Nah, TJ shit loud as shit, yo. I'm loving these downshifts though. Nah, that bitch sound beautiful, yo. What the fuck? I love them downshifts. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I also put an intake in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, with the catless shit and the intake, I definitely feel a power difference off rip, yo. My shit jumping like crazy. Bro, this nigga not trying to get the damn. Nah, this shit loud as fuck, bro. Even with the windows all the way up. Like, I went from mid muffler to like straight pipe with cats and straight pipe with no cats. So the difference is crazy. And as y'all see, I ain't got no check engine light either. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely a power boost, yo. What the fuck? Damn. Damn, Marco shit shooting flames, yo. What the fuck? Damn. Damn. make no sense at all, yo. That boy holding the flames, what the fuck? Nah, that shit popping crazy, yo. Yo, that shit loud as a bitch. Nigga popping under the tunnel is crazy. Oh shit. Nah, that shit crazy. I don't even know where the hell I'm going. Why the fuck am I in front? Damn, bro. This straight pipe sound beautiful as fuck, yo. You really gotta let that. You really gotta let. Damn, I can't speak. You really gotta let that. Damn! You really gotta let that 6.4 speak to you, bruh. That shit ain't gonna speak no lies, nigga. Shit ain't gonna speak no cap. Shit gonna speak real shit.
Reload. Club outside the family. I was there, my he got there to work check at the morning. Now they gon' find the street. Bennett block out the.
Alright, we do gotta start slowing down. These dumb ass niggas gon' switch in front of me. Do I get flames next, yo? Cause what the fuck? Them flames was tough as shit. Bro, I don't even know where the fuck I'm going, yo. Yeah, y'all hear them gunshots, I hope. Now that shit just sound like pure war, yo. What the fuck? That shit don't make no sense whatsoever. That shit don't make no sense whatsoever, yo. Is there a cop or something? Why niggas slowing down? Who the fuck is that? Oh, I think niggas trying to get lined up or something. I don't know. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, yo. Driving is my fucking therapy. Like, it be shit like this. Like, this shit crazy, bruh. Nigga done fucked around and made it downtown. Make sure 12 ain't posted. Damn. Hold on, tunnel action. God, boy. Damn, I did that shit right by 12, yo. My fucking foot slipped. My foot slipped, bro. My foot slipped. My fault. Pray that nigga don't pull out. If he do, it was not me. It was that nigga. Slight little cruise POV now. Slight little cruise. Oh, this is what the hell they was talking about. Nah, hearing this nigga pops from down the street is crazy. Damn, that nigga almost hit main ass. That truck was loud as shit.
Parking deck over here.
Alright. Say push button or scan car. This nigga might have been right. Take that dumb ass glove off. I know this bitch ass nigga ain't honking at me. Oh, there we go. Bitch ass up, nigga. In that motherfucker. In that motherfucking straight pipe, 392. In that motherfucking straight night. What the fuck I just say? In that motherfucking straight pipe, 39 deuce, nigga. Finna see what the hell that parking. Oh shit, I ain't know speed bumps. See what the hell they talking about. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy. Oh shit, track out, crack out, crack a hole. Ah, this shit crazy. This shit crazy, boy. Keep charging this down camera. I ain't even turn it on. My big dumb ass. You ain't going home tonight, nigga.
Oh God, I'm leaving in 30 minutes.
You ain't going home tonight,
I'm
nigga.
leaving at 11:30.
You ain't going home tonight, nigga. God.
So when you hit it,
Lineup looking crazy though, bruh. This ain't even the final, you know what I'm saying? The final result for real. Make sure I get my ticket, boy. I'm hungry as shit, yo. I ain't eat, nigga. I don't even remember what I ate. I don't even think I ate, bruh. I might have ate some shit this morning, but damn, it's midnight now. I'm hungry as fuck, bruh. Come through fucking the neighborhood up, yo. Everybody wake the fuck up. Everybody wake your ass up, boy. Damn, I hear pops from that fucking bar. Damn, nigga, when the fuck all these people get here? What the fuck? Niggas deep as fuck.
Chris,
Yeah, 12 down the street. 12 down the street.
That's why I said I was like top right outside though.
I mean, we ain't doing nothing though.
We're leaving?
Niggas ain't doing nothing though. Damn, what the fuck? God damn. Put shot it straight back in track mode. Yeah, my damn 360 in my pocket. My big dumb ass. Oh, that big ass truck, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, he got it. That shit about 4 times my car. Damn. Nah, that motherfucker loud as shit, y'all. Bro was pointing to, but shit. Let me get my ass down the road. Boy, we beating the motherfucking block down, boy. Oh shit. 12 edge up, posted right there. Waiting to catch a nigga. Oh my god, waiting to catch a nigga, bro. I'm still hungry as shit, yo.